In this video, I'll be doing the iodine clock reaction, which is a popular demonstration of redox reactions. I have around 40 milliliters of water in each beaker, and I'm getting some sodium iodate, and I'm now putting around 0.3 milliliters of it into the first beaker. Now I'm getting some sodium sulfite, and I'm putting in around 0.15 milliliters into my second beaker. Next I'm getting citric acid, and I'm going to put 0.6 milliliters of it into the second beaker. This citric acid will create an acidic environment in the solution, which will turn the sulfite into bisulfite, which will be helpful in the reaction. Now I'm putting around 8 or 9 drops of starch solution into the second beaker. This starch will act as an indicator of any iodine, so when iodine is formed in the solution, it'll turn black. When I mix the two solutions, a couple of reactions should happen. The bisulfite that I mentioned before will react with the iodate to form the colorless iodide ion and also some bisulfate. Extra bisulfite from the reaction will stop the iodate from oxidizing the iodide into iodine, but eventually all the bisulfite runs out and all of the iodide is oxidized into iodine by the iodate. And because of the starch indicator, the solution will suddenly turn black. As you can see, it worked perfectly, and now all we have to do is make it clear again. Just now I got some sodium thiosulfate and dissolved it in water. Then I poured it into our iodine solution, and hopefully what should happen is it reduces all the iodine in it back into iodide, which is colorless in the solution as we saw before, but I didn't put in enough, so I poured in a bunch more of the thiosulfate. In order to spread it around the solution, to make sure it all gets reduced back into iodide, I stirred it, and as you can see starting at the bottom, it's all clearing up back into the iodide ion. I let the solution sit for a while, and it turned black again, but it separated into a black layer and a clear layer, which I thought was pretty interesting. Thanks for watching.